Hi buddies, welcome back at Samsung, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. When we go to our settings and then go to battery and device care, we can go to storage, allow, and then we have our internal storage here, and we now want to add in external storage. So you can go ahead, take your SIM card ejector or the simple paper clip and open the SIM card slot. And then take out this and take your SD card and put that in the phone. Put that in and then take the whole thing and put it back in the phone. So we now need to unlock our SIM card again. And when we now go to our menu, go to battery and device care, and to storage, we have our internal storage here and then our SD card. It's almost empty, so you can now go ahead and, well, save your images, videos, and whatever else on there to save some internal storage, and then you can just go back. So that's how you insert a SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. Let's do a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.